The Honeywell Decor wireless door chime features a clean and modern design, making it a great addition to any home decor. The wireless chime uses a self-learning code system that automatically adjusts to eliminate interference and comes equipped with 6 CD quality chimes with adjustable volume. Running on only batteries, no wiring is required, making setup a breeze, and the door chime works with up to 6 transmitters with a 450-foot range. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.